Welcome to the Artificial SOP, Fact-Checking AI. We will explore the critical steps for using generative AI tools in a regulated environment, focusing on fact-checking. Alex is excited to show his boss, Jordan, the new standard operating procedure for tablet press maintenance, generated in record time with the GenAI tool. Alex notes the tool produced a 10-page, professional SOP. Jordan appreciates the initiative but advises them to pause, as AI is only good for formatting and structure. Alex asks if the FDA accepts standard industry best practices. Jordan clarifies that the FDA cares about their specific, validated process, not generic practices. Alex asks for guidance. Jordan instructs them to consult SOP users, review the original maintenance manual, and physically walk through the entire process step by step. Jordan then advises writing a clean draft, using smart tools, but staying true to exact requirements. He warns that they cannot depend on AI to be accurate. Jordan adds a final reminder. They must always remember the 5 C's of any documentation, including this new SOP. Alex acknowledges the instruction. Jordan explains that each document must be clear, complete, correct, consistent, and compliant. AI is a drafting assistant, excellent at form but potentially inaccurate with facts. Every AI-generated word must be verified against the 5 C's before filing.